Okay, kids, if you're watching this, that means that you have managed to score the paper, make and trace a shape 3 times in each triangle, and then add black to the negative space or the background space. Okay? So now what you're going to need is colored pencils and a color wheel. And we are going to be using analogous colors for this project. That means colors that are in little families in sets of 3. So like blue, blue-green, green, or violet, red. One color on here that you will have a very difficult time finding is blue-violet, so you can skip that one. You don't need to use that, okay? So we'll deal with that when the time comes, but blue-violets are very, very rare in my colored pencil bins. It's actually called navy blue, and then if you manage to find one, great, but blue-violets really don't exist in the Crayola world. So go into your colored pencils and pick a color. Now don't pick brown, don't pick black, don't pick white, don't pick gray. Those are neutral colors. All your tans, browns, grays, and blacks. We're not messing with those, okay? So if I go in here and I just randomly grabbed a color that popped out to me, I grab magenta. So then you compare it to color wheel, it fits with this one. So you can take your color, pressing hard, you're going to fill in one of your 3 shapes in whatever triangle you have decided to start with. We are staying in one triangle of our sculpture that we're building, okay, for the moment. Okay, notice there's no paper showing through the color. It's done neatly. That's what we're after. Okay, so now I got to find that color's other family members. Okay, so I can go this way, red, orange, or I could go this way, violet, blue, violet, which I said you can skip and go right to blue if you want, or I could go on either side, which would be violet and red. I'm liking that idea. So you don't need to leave these on the color wheel. I left it there so you could see. So I'm going to go search for a red and a violet. Now be careful, because in Crayolas, a lot of times you'll come across this color. This is actually red-orange, so make sure you don't get the wrong one. Alright, so I've managed to locate a red and a violet. So the other 2 shapes are going to get these colors in them. Remember, you are pressing hard. No paper showing through your color. If you get a little color on this tab out here, that's okay. It happens. Alright, that's going to get hidden anyway when we glue this whole thing together. Alright, so I've filled in that shape super nice with my violet. I'm going to move on to my red. And there you go. 3 analogous colors in that triangle. Okay? Then you move to the next triangle, pick out your colors. Now, before I sign off of my usual videos, some things to know. Okay? Stuff like this. Check it out. You have a light blue and you have a pink. Alright? Just because a color is lighter, it still fits in the same family, so you may use it. Okay? Then you also need to know that certain colors, like this pink, that is in the red family with white added to it. It just changes the name to pink instead of light red. Okay? This is usable. You can use this as part of your red color family. So that's just a word to the wise, that if you find a lighter version of a color, that's fine. You just try and find the family it's in, and you may use it.